And tickets can be purchased at the kiosk at Promenade de Anglais. And we get the tourist train along Promenade de Anglais of the popular beach walk here at Nice. As you can see, it's a very popular walk, and in the glorious sunshine, it's even better. And the train costs €12 per adult single, and that includes return, and it's a great way to see and get your bearings to venture further to see the beautiful sights of Nice. The journey takes around 45 minutes and the train runs every 30 minutes. We now cross through Nice city centre and see some marvellous sculptures and structures. Also, there is a flower market on here. And also to note, there is a tram service that serves the city of Nice, so you can get to the surrounding areas, also can drop you to the airport. And here we see the bike taxi, which it's available around areas in Nice, particularly the city centre. What do you think of the tour so far? I think it's absolutely amazing. There's some beautiful scenery around Nice, so I do recommend that you take this train ride. It's only €12. It's absolutely amazing. Check it out. Highly recommend it. Get your bearings around Nice, then you know where to go. It's very cheap as well compared to the red tourist bus. See that Nice is a very relaxed city and has a great atmosphere and a lovely vibe to the city. Tourist train does have a headset with multiple different languages, and it does explain the sights and structures we see along the way. And we see the many restaurants which one can enjoy in the glorious sunshine along the French Riviera. And we pass Nice Harbour as we ascend up towards Castle Hill, up to this nice castle. I absolutely recommend it. Wait and you see the views from the top. It has a beautiful waterfall. We're going all to come. Stay tuned. And we see partly the waterfall structure as we approach Castle Hill viewpoint. We're going to get a better view, a walking view of this waterfall. Absolutely stunning. In the 4th century BC, there was a Greek settlement called Nicaea situated here, while the first mention of the castle and cathedral dates back to the 11th century when these buildings were the centre of the town hill. Here coming up, we see the wonderful man-made waterfall here around Castle Hill. And as you can see, there's some absolutely stunning walks here along the castle park. As you can see, the views over Nice from Castle here are absolutely breathtaking. The train does stop at the top of Castle Hill. Now it waits there for around 10 minutes. You can stop here, admire the views, or else you can walk back down yourself. The choice is yours. And as you saw there, the views are absolutely spectacular, so that's why I do recommend you take this small little train around Nice to get your bearings. Come here to Castle Hill in Nice, you'll see the whole city, absolutely amazing. You may fancy renting a Segway here at Segway School at Castle Hill. And as we descend Castle Hill and go back down on the train, we see the seaside restaurants in abundance coming up here. And we now see the monument aux Morts, dedicated to those who lost their lives in the World War I, and the work was designed by Roger C. Sall. Now time to enjoy some of the beautiful views along the French Riviera as we descend Castle Hill. Do note the train runs every 15 to 20 minutes. It starts around 9 AM in the morning. The last train is 6 PM. So just take note of that. And we end our journey back at the promenade. So do like, subscribe for free, and hit that notification bell. It's also absolutely free. Helps me make more videos. Help me, help you, help everybody.